We'd say that quality was the most important aspect of why we hired Knockout. The pricing is up front, and there is definitely truth to the motto, you get what you pay for. This was the first major renovation project we'd ever undertaken, and we wanted to create a lasting space that we'd enjoy for years to come. We wanted it done right, not just to look good superficially, and Knockout was definitely able to deliver on a quality renovation.
We would tell them that in addition to the streamlined process of Knockout managing all aspects of the renovation, permits, various trades, product delivery, project management, what really made an impression on us was the individual tradespeople who came to work on our renovation. They really took pride in their work and they were amazing at their craft. Their level of skill and execution just exceeded our wildest expectations.
We didn't just renovate our apartment, we reconfigured several major living spaces, including the creation of an additional bedroom. We had an idea of what we wanted to do, but our project manager and designer was really able to make it happen. When we have guests over and show them the original floor plan and photos, they are in awe of the final product. Another big plus of a complete gut renovation is that everything, plumbing, electrical, woodwork, has been modernized. It's nice to know that there are not any additional projects that we have to attend to in the years to come. Plus, Knockout's warranty gives us peace of mind.
We recommend Knockout Renovation.